Welcome to Jaeger Customs, where we present our own Zaku custom, Zaku 1 from the 1 Year War. In recollection of the independence of Zeon from Earth, today is actually Independence Day, 4th of July for the United States. So I hope today brings you some hope and joy and remembrance for those fallen for our freedom. In this high grade scale, we have an Infiltrator space type specialized in CQC. Confused? With the booster pack in tow, this Zaku races to meet the enemy in a close fight and blow off some GM heads with a drum-fed shotgun, or take the booster pack and quickly infill into enemy territory, dump the pack and deal as much damage as possible on foot, but lighter without the cumbersome booster pack. In my headcanon, I just make up stuff while staying in the box of available lore within the story of all the Gundams. Just like the colors in loadout, I had fun. Pretty sure the modified pack is from the 30-minute missions with propellant tanks from a Gelgood Jaeger. I made that Jaeger ground type, so he didn't need those anymore. I stole the shotgun from a GM Spartan expansion kit and the back part of a beer guy to make the shoulder launcher. The basic green on the entire Zaku goes hard, but I wanted more fun here, so I made it green, gray, and granite, a bunch of alliteration, and a little dark teal green dispersed in there. I hope the lighting catches it. But for the shield, I made some eyes staring back at the pilot, giving her some spirit or whatever you think fits. Thought it was kind of fun. Like, what do you do on the back of a shield anyways? Just like paint it gray and a little wash and call it a day. I had a little bit of fun with little things with decals. It's like probably my third custom doing, decals that I want. I think I have a good field inventory of decals now to actually do the stuff that I want to do with my custom. So here's probably the first one with all the decals I wanted, The warthog mouth on the head was hand painted, freehand. That was fun to do. Definitely can do it better, but once you top coat it, you're like, you know what? Let's just keep it the way it is. Let's move on. I'll always get better. Let's just keep it where it's at. First try for everything. So I'm a huge fan of the A10 Warthog attack platform, and eventually I put that into the custom kit, so here it is. The white striping was done in sponge. I did that on purpose. I forgot why. I think it has something to do with maybe space and certain striping that like paint would come off a certain way. I don't remember. It's the first thing I thought of when I tried doing that, and I just kind of forgot why, but it looks cool, I guess. The gray is actually a German Luftwaffe gray from Model Color, and a resemblance to the Zeon's German heritage, which makes a lot of sense, I guess. Just want to give this machine some flair, some life, as it's been through a few skirmishes in my head canon. It's Unit 26, Platoon 2, so Unit 6. So no commander, but experienced pilot for sure, probably a female. That's why she called herself Bad Girl on the legs. Or it can just be what you call the suit. I got on the right shoulder, you probably can't see it, but there's some dice, and that little T with the trapezoid is something the Germans did for like tank destroyer. It's a little note, not the best hand free painting, but I had fun with this one. So I hope you like it. I hope you like this little Space Noid Zeon Zaku 1 custom. There'll be more for sure, but that's today's for the finished custom. Thanks for stopping by, and if you like the content, spread the word, share it, leave a comment and say what you liked or critique, be nice, or even subscribe so you can see more videos coming up. There's a bunch of shorts out there. I got probably 3 or 4 videos so far, but this whole channel is gonna go big and wide, and I hope that the Gunpla custom community can just like see me once in a while, just like, hey, there's Jaeger Customs. Here's his weird customs that he does. They're not the best. They're all HG scale so far. You're not going to be doing master grade stuff because it's out of my budget, and for spatial issues, it just makes sense to stay in the HG, the high grade scale, and I hope that some of you guys like it, come back and see more. So definitely subscribe. You'll see them. Happy 4th of July, and as always, bye for now.